Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Joy's Fashion World. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful baby girl headband, a simple yet stylish accessory that you can create easily at home. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Join the family by liking this video, leaving a comment and sharing with others. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now without wasting time, let's get started. I have already gone ahead to cut a long fabric strap measuring 14 inches in length and 5 inches in width. This will be used for the bow. Next, fold the fabric in half lengthwise just like this. Now at this mark area, I will take it to my sewing machine and stitch it with half-inch seam allowance, starting from this point and stopping here. Let me quickly do that and show you how it looks. Now that we have stitched it, I will trim the edges slightly so that when we turn it inside out, it lay nice and flat. Let's go ahead and turn it to the right side. Once done, give it a good press with an iron for a neat finish. Now for the open edge, you can either stitch it close or use fabric glue for a cleaner look. I'll be using glue to keep it neat. Next is making the band. Now for the headband itself, I cut a long fabric strap measuring 35 inches in length and 3 inches in width. We will fold it in half lengthwise and stitch with half-inch seam allowance. But this time around, we will leave about 1 inch open at both ends. Let me quickly stitch and I will be back to show you the next step. Now that it's stitched, I will use a safety pin to turn it right side out. After that, I will give it a good press while ensuring the seam stays at the center for a professional finish. Next is inserting the elastic. For the elastic, I measure it to fit the baby's head circumference, which is 16 inches. I'm making use of 1 inch wide elastic. I will insert the elastic into the fabric tube using a safety pin, guiding it through carefully. Once the elastic is fully in, I will secure the ends by stitching them to the fabric. Then I will join both ends of the band together and stitch with half-inch seam allowance. After that, I will neatly tuck in the raw edge, fold them over like this and top stitch to keep everything secure. Next is to assemble the bow and band. Now let's bring back our bow piece and shape it into a bow. To do this, I will thread my needle and gather the fabric at the center just like this. Once that is done, I will place the bow at the center of the band and stitch it down securely. To give it a professional finish, I cut a small fabric strap 5 inches in length and 2 inches wide. This will be used to wrap around the center of the bow. I will fold it in half, stitch it with half-inch seam allowance, turn it right side out and then wrap it around the bow to cover the stitch. And finally, I will stitch it from the back to hold everything in place. And that's it, our adorable baby girl headband is ready. This is such an easy, stylish DIY project that you can make in just few steps, perfect for gifts or for your little ones. If you find this tutorial helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and of course subscribe to my channel for more fun sewing tutorial. See you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.